Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to add multiple audio tracks on Instagram, and all you have to do is to head on over to your Instagram application, and then you're going to tap on the plus icon. From here, you're going to make sure that you are on the view section. You're going to tap on the camera. You're going to record a small video, and then from there you are going to save the small video that you have recorded. You're going to tap on next. From here, you're going to see this option that is here. So you're going to tap on it, and then you're going to tap on save to camera roll. From there, you're going to make sure that you have installed the CapCut application in the case that you do not have. If you have an iPhone, you're going to install it using the Apple Store. And if you have an Android, you're going to install it using the Play Store. So you're going to launch it once you have installed the CapCut application. And from here, you're going to choose a new project. Once you've chosen a new project, you are going to choose the video that you have recorded on Instagram. You're going to tap on add. And from there, in the case that I wanted to add multiple tracks, all I have to do is to tap on add audio. And I'm going to tap on sounds. From there, I can either choose to use the recommended audios that are here. So I'm going to tap on this one, and I'm going to tap on add. I'm going to scroll for a little bit, and then I'm going to split the video and remove the other one. I can choose to add another sound, and in this case, I'm going to either choose the one on my device or choose my saved audios on TikTok. So for me, I can either choose to add this one. So I'm going to align them perfectly. And once you're okay with the audios that you have put here, all you have to do is tap on the export option that is at the top. And then once it has finished exporting, you are going to choose to now send it to the Instagram. And it will give you this option when you're going to tap on send on Instagram, and you're going to put it as reels. And I thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.